I'm now standing in this huge car park on this wonderful raised ground floor retirement flat. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. I'll take you in and let you have a look in a moment. But what really impresses me about this property, it's warden assisted, over 55, so I could actually come and live here if I wanted to, are the facilities and its location. We're actually on the Finchley Road in Temple Fortune, across the way from all the fantastic shops. You've got your delis here, you've got restaurants, there's Brian Shoes I used to go to when I was a little boy. What's great is you've got beautiful outside communal space, and it's a real community feel. And if you are looking for a retirement property that has got that really gives you the care and support, there's 24-hour management here. You've got pull cords in every room. There's somebody on site all the time to assist you. You've also got communal laundry, lovely communal lounge, and now that the restrictions have lifted, they're starting to put on entertainment once again for the residents. Then this could be a great place for you. The actual development itself, being a retirement development, has a lot to offer and should be seriously considered if you're looking for somewhere with a bit of assistance, somewhere for yourself over the age of 55 or for a loved one.